location where, you know, where I've done a few videos for my channel, and yeah. So this is how it looks. So these are my coilovers. You turn this knob right here, and it goes to hard or soft. Because I've owned the coilovers before, I know how they should feel, and it doesn't feel like the ones that I had 2 years ago or a year ago on the other car, which is the same 9th gen as this, the 2012 9th gen. But it's recommendation wise reasonable for the price. You can't complain. You know, you get like all 4 wheels, stiffness adjustment. Cost me like $800 after taxes and shipment and all that stuff. So for the price, you can't complain. But because I'm used to the original, the one that I had on the other 9th gen being stiffer when I turn the things to like stiff, I'm annoyed-ish kind of. But fitment wise, it's okay. The car looks better this way because it looks like a monster truck. You know what I mean? But it's pretty good. You know, the fitment in the rear, I had to raise the car up because I have people, you know, taking people around. And also the fitment of the tires is the reason why I can't go lower, because I'm running 245 tires. They're 17s by the way. So the car sits a little lower than 18. So I can go lower than this. So it's alright. Now, that's it for the coilovers. Enough of that shit. You know. And also I had upgraded rotors and stuff on the car. So yeah, it looks good.